This is a quick video on replacing the rear left side indicator of the Pulsar 150. I have already tried to stick the indicator with glue, but it's an utter failure. So let's replace this with the new genuine indicator that I bought from the Bajaj service center. For that, let's open up the back seat and uncover the sleeve and remove this green color connector. After that, let's remove this nut. This nut is stuck, so I am using some WD-40 to remove the rust and give some lubrication so that I can easily remove the nut like this. Now we can carefully remove the indicator and replace it with the new one. Now we can insert the wire through this hole. Put the nut through the wire and put the wire through the same path from where you have already removed the wire. After doing that, let's tighten this nut. And put this rubber washer. And fix the rubber washer to the place where we have already removed. Now we can connect the connector and put the wire inside the sleeve and put back to the place from where we have already removed that, and close the seat and let's check the indicator. The indicator is working fine. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.